When you've got bigger tires on your Jeep and want an easier approach to tough terrain angles, new Trail Guard front and rear bumpers are the answer. These shortened, heavy-duty bumpers are chock full of features, constructed of cold-rolled steel with a lightly textured black powder-coated finish, and offer no drill installation. Plus, they're backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Because we're real Jeepers like you, you can count on Rampage Products to know what you want, and create it for you. Features: durable 3/16 of an inch cold-rolled steel construction for durability. No drill installation, attaches to factory mounts in frame. Lightly textured black powder-coated finish. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Available for 2007-17 Jeep Wrangler JK and JKU. Front features: integrated winch plate design inside bumper allows for better airflow into radiator. Accommodates up to a 12 pound winch, including a worn Xeon winch. Winch protecting angled bull bar. 4 inches light opening fits factory or aftermarket fog lights. Shackle mounts with D-rings included. Rear features: includes 2 inches receiver tow hitch made of 1/4 of an inch steel reinforced with a 7/16 of an inch ring. Third brake light bracket included. Steel welded accessory panel allows for mounting a high lift jack or gas can. Modular tire carrier allows tire to mount in standard or slanted position, alleviating weight from the tailgate.